Okay, man, this is HM. I hope everyone did get a chance to see my view on RC car, but I'm gonna piece this one at the end. And but you probably say, well, HM, we seen this car before, and I say you are correct, but I did something a little different, and I didn't know how I was gonna do the video because I didn't want to get a copy strike, but I figured out what to do. So what I did a little different, I put a speaker in my RC car, a Blu-ray speaker. Very simple and easy to do. All I did was just took some not sticky tack, some one of the magnets, and I stuck it in there. It had the two-sided tape on there, and I stuck it on there, and it worked perfectly. Now I'm gonna turn it on, and let me show you. Let me turn it on for you.
Power on.
Now it says power on. Now I'm gonna take one of my YouTube videos from my other channel and let you hear it. And I think I'll use this one. I'm HM. Welcome back to my channel. This time we're gonna do it. Now that's coming through the speaker. On another RC vehicle, but this one I got from Target. I got it today. It is a new bright. I know you've probably seen reviews on this before, but I'm going to do my own review, and we're going to see how cool it is. This is a Polar. I'm going to pause it. Now I think you would like that. I thought it was kind of cool. Now I do have this RC car hooked up, and when the music playing, it looks kind of decent going down the road. Now the only thing I want to do differently, I'm just get a cover for it, so you won't see it. It's cover it up, but you won't see it. It'll be inside. Because if you look really closely, and we talked about it also before, you do have those four holes right there. Is to get the piece. Now I'm gonna sand this down. This piece right here. I just didn't get a chance to sand it down yet, and everything. So that's why I wanted to show y'all guys what I just did. My update. I took the chain off right there, as you can see. I'm going to put a different chain on there. I'm going to take these off and put different ones on there and chain on. I did put the guy in there. He's still in there. As you can see, he's still sitting in there. And you get a chance to listen to the music. Now, if I want to charge it up, I can take this out. All I have to do is just pretty much just move it like that. And just go to where the little charger port. Right about right there. And I can charge it up. When I get finished charging it up, I just sit right back in there. It's a magnet, and it sits. I can listen to music as it's going down the road on the little trails. And then to turn it off, all I do is pretty much hit the little smiley face like that.
Power off.
And it powers down. And then I just put it right back down. Now you want to see the ring? There's the ring right there, and I just pretty much. Let's sit right there, and then the magnet takes over. That's all I want to show you guys. So everybody have a good day, good night, and HM is out. And I'll talk to you guys later. The next exciting review with HM or what it will be on. I just want to shoot the breeze, y'all guys.